Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is sponsored by Winbridge. Winbridge was nice enough to send me over a voice amplifier S95 that simply is like this. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys the things that's inside of it and show you guys exactly how it works and other things like that. So here inside you'll find the manual, which is going to tell you exactly how to work the S95 voice amplifier. And then also in here is a strap that simply comes like this. There is cords for hooking it up. And then there's also these cords. Now, here's a microphone. On the side there is a headphone that comes with a wireless mic. So here is a great wireless headphone. And as you guys can see, there is a Type-C for this. There's the on and off button. Nice padding here to keep it on your head, and then the microphone is padded as well. There's an up and down volume button, and it just simply fits over your head just like this, and you can adjust it so whenever you're in the classroom teaching, or if you guys are doing like college professional teaching, this will work great for that specifics as well. So the S95 amplifier is a 40-watt voice amplifier that's equipped with dual wireless microphones. So it can play music continuously for up to 8 hours at maximum volume and up to 12 hours at half volume. So the amplifier features a carry handle right here. And it can be adjusted using the strap, which is right here. So the strap can make it adjustable for you guys to carry this. And then of course, it's also easy to transport. So additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless music playback. It allows seamless audio streaming from your favorite devices. The amplifier also offers versatile connectivity options, including aux input, USB, and TF card support, enabling you to enjoy your favorite tracks anytime, anywhere. So the voice amplifier is an excellent tool for meetings, teaching, training, or outdoor activities such as weddings and yoga classes. So these are some of the other reasons why you would order this right here, because it's portable. You can use it for trainings and excellent things like that. Of course, it's also suitable for tour guides, public speakers, and the elderly. So let's look more into the S95 voice amplifier. So this is something that I could use in my classroom while teaching the kids. I could also have it on me and allow to take outside and do freeze dance and things like that. So when you're looking at this, you have all of your buttons here. It looks like this part is the echo, the mic volume, the regular volume for the speaker, and then it has this button, and then it has all the numbers, and then there's a next button, play button, back button. And then on the back, there are buttons here where you guys can use Type-C, USB, TF, which is basically the little memory cards. And then you also can put your mic 1 cord in here, and then your mic 2 and your aux. So it's very simple, very lightweight, easy to handle and carry with you. So I'm going to turn it on, and then we're going to see exactly how this works and then go from there. The link will be in my description box down below.
Bluetooth
paired. So easily I could use this for movement breaks. So if I was really interested in taking this to work in order to do brain breaks and things like that, which would definitely be great, I could easily go to YouTube and click on the one that I want to do. So I want to do Go Noodle Banana Meatball. That is one of my kids' absolute favorites. Make sure it's turned up on my phone. And of course, I'm going to make sure it's turned up on the speaker.
Yeah.
So that's exactly how this works. I am so glad that they sent me over this S95 voice amplifier that I can use Bluetooth wise at work. I can also use it at home. I could also use it for family functions and things like that. When you want to use the microphone, you just simply hold the power button and it turns on. Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and check out the link in my description box down below for the link. See you guys later.